Welcome to Manager SE Inspections. In this video, we'll share how to send the inspection results to your customer. Starting in the Workshop view, the Manager SE record displays status as Priced. Double-click on the record to open it. This brings you to the authorization screen where you can see the priced items. Now select Send Email and the Email Customer MPI screen opens. After checking the information over, select Confirm. Now the message appears as a preview of what will be sent to the customer. This message can be edited here if needed. Choose Preview the link for a final look, or go ahead and select Send Link. The screen now returns you to the Workshop view, displaying a confirmation it was sent. Whenever you want to confirm the communication has been sent, click on the record again to open it and then select Overview. Scroll down to the communication log displaying your sent message. Thanks for watching.